Today, we will learn how to add a vehicle and set the price of a delivery on our platform. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu icon. By clicking on it, you will access various options, including the Business Information section. Navigate there, and after clicking on Business Information, look for a menu option titled Set Fees. Clicking on Set Fees takes you to the Set Fee screen. Here on the Set Fee screen, you need to first add a vehicle before adding a delivery fee. So, click on Vehicle, then click on the Add button to add a new vehicle. Suppose you write the vehicle name as Honda. For a description, you can write anything appropriate. Next, you'll need to input the size limits, such as length, width, and height. Suppose you enter the dimensions as 100, 100, 100, and you will need to specify whether these are in meters or centimeters. In this case, let's say it's in meters. After setting the dimensions, you'll set a weight limit. What is the minimum and what is the maximum weight the vehicle can carry? Then, you will be asked whether this is measured in kilograms or grams. If it's in kilograms, you will select kg. Lastly, there is a toggle asking whether you are currently delivering with this vehicle. If it is off, this indicates you are not using this vehicle for deliveries. Ensure the delivery mode is turned on. This indicates that you are using this vehicle to provide delivery services. Next, upload a service type image and a map. Type image in the specified section. We will now click on the Submit button to add the vehicle. As you can see on the screen, we have successfully added a vehicle. Once the vehicle has been added, we'll proceed by clicking on the delivery fees to set up the fees for this particular vehicle type. After that, click on the country. This action will display the country that you have previously added. In our case, we'll select the United States of America. Following this selection, a list of cities that have been added within that country will appear. For this example, we'll choose New York. We will then be prompted to specify the business type we are engaged in. Clicking on this option will present a drop-down menu with choices such as store, courier, taxi service, appointment, or e-commerce. We will choose a store as our business type. After that, a vehicle option drop-down will appear. By clicking on this, we will see a list of vehicles that have been added. Since we have added only one vehicle named Honda, we will select that as our vehicle. Next, there is a toggle switch. If this is turned on, it indicates that we are currently conducting business with this vehicle for delivery. If it is turned off, it means that we are not providing delivery services with this vehicle. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll enable it. Next, set the default option. When default is on, it means that this vehicle will be automatically selected when a user is creating an order. Then there's the admin profit mode. By clicking on it, you'll find two options for profit calculation. The first option is a percentage, and the second is an absolute price for delivery. You can choose to set the admin profit as a percentage, or you can opt for an absolute delivery price. Let's select a percentage, and I will enter a random admin profit value of 20%. For setting a delivery fee, there are two methods. The first is based on distance, allowing you to set a base price per distance unit. If I enable this option, it indicates the desire to set pricing based on a circular area. To add a price within this area, click on the Add button. Then it will prompt me to enter the range, so from 0 to 2 kilometers, I will charge $10. After entering this, click on Submit, and it will be added. To add another price tier, click on the Add button again. Here, for the range from 2 to 5 kilometers, the price will be $50. After setting this, I'll click on Submit. Now you can see a description of how pricing is structured in this scenario. If this functionality is disabled, the system will revert to calculating fees per kilometer or per minute. Consider this example. Here we have the return distance for a base price. Let's say we input 2 kilometers as the distance. What's the base price? The base price is $10. That means for 2 kilometers, we're charging $10. Next, we need to determine the price per unit distance after 2 kilometers. As an example, let's set it at $20. And what about the price per unit time? We'll set it at $1. If there's a tax involved, we'll add a 10% delivery tax. The next question is, what will the minimum fare be? We'll make the minimum fare $50, ensuring that the user pays the minimum fare. Then, after setting the minimum fare, we have additional settings available here. From this section, we can configure the zone pricing. For example, If we've added Polygon 1 to Polygon 1, the price within this area will be $50. So, if someone places an order in this zone, this specific pricing will automatically apply. After that, we will click on the Save button to add this detail. You will see, after clicking the Save button, that the service has been added successfully. We have set up the price successfully. Thank you for watching the video.